cemara, tumbuh subur di ujung pelangi, sampai datang badai melanda, memindahkan mereka.
Malangnya 4 pohon cemara, kering daunnya yang berguguran.
Didera panasnya kemarau, berusaha berdiri.
Tenanglah cemara, Abah di sini untuk jaga semua. Dimanapun berada, asal bersama kita akan bahagia.
Tak lama tumbuh tunas yang baru, cemara kecil bernama Agil. Kau bawa cahaya, kau berikan makna, mengkapi hidup semua. Seperti cemara, jangan berdiri, terima kasih untuk sekelilingnya. Dimanapun berada, asal bersama kita akan bahagia. Kita akan bahagia, yakin akan bahagia.
We want more. We want more.
I know, you had to watch because the show will start on the 21st of June until the 14th of July.
Yes.
That was a wonderful performance
Amazing.
from the cast of
Amazing.
Keluarga Cemara, the musical, or Pine Family, the musical.
Fine,
Right.
fine, fine.
I'm just trying to translate. Keluarga Cemara is one of the most beloved family in
movie,
Indonesia, right? And that's why we are here with the director and also the cast members, or some of the cast members of Keluarga Cemara. We have Pasha here, Andrea, and also
Taufan.
Taufan. Yes, thank you so
Thank you.
much. Thank you for having us.
Great to be here.
Yeah, Keluarga Cemara. So we Indonesians, we're very familiar with Keluarga Cemara, but probably our ASEAN audience or Southeast Asian audience, they're not familiar yet with Keluarga Cemara. What is Keluarga Cemara, Pasha?
Keluarga Cemara, it was originally written as a series, novel series by Arswendo Atmi Wiloto. It became a TV series in the 90s, and then Visinema made it into a feature film in 2019.
Yeah.
And now we're turning it into a stage musical, a musical
Right.
theater.
Who is Keluarga Cemara?
Who is Keluarga Cemara? Keluarga Cemara is a riches to rags story of a family. Abah, played by Taufan Purbo and Simala, got involved in a bad business deal, and so the family is forced to move out of Jakarta, out of the city, out of the lavish lifestyle, into a more humble environment, di kampung we call it, into the village. So it's about how they cope with the changes. Abah starting a new life, Amma facing new challenges in the village, and then the teenage girl, the first daughter, Elise, finding new friends and adapting to her new lifestyle in the village.
Yes.
So it's a story about family dynamics that we all can relate to.
Yes.
Challenges, the good and the bad, the conflicts.
Yes.
So if you're a father, if you're a mother, a son, a daughter, you can see yourself in this story.
Yeah.
Okay, but how did you get this idea to bring it into the musical?
It's not my idea. But Visinema, Keluarga Cemara is one of the most popular titles or movies that Visinema produced.
Yes.
And so they've decided to turn it into a musical theater, and this is their their pilot project for
Okay.
stage production.
Yeah.
So we're very excited to be a part of that.
Yeah.
But you two have been, around in the musical performance before this.
Yes.
And this is like 10 years after the last one is previous performance, right?
Well,
no, no, that was Laskar Pelangi.
Yeah, Laskar Pelangi.
Oh,
I mean,
yeah, but
it's
it's
a
not
long
with
running
them,
show.
no?
Yeah,
Yeah.
We're trying to follow the footsteps of long running shows because it's
Yes.
Rarely happen here.
rarely happen in,
Yeah.
in Indonesia. And so the last time was 10 years ago. was it?
Yeah,
About- yeah.
And so
Yeah.
now we're trying to uplift the landscape,
Yes.
the industry,
Yes.
so that it becomes a healthy ecosystem and becomes an
Yes.
alternative for families to go
Absolutely.
to go, bring their families for the weekend instead of the malls, the movies.
Yes,
Okay.
for entertainment. And
Yeah.
we're trying to bring what basically America and the UK have been doing, right, with West End and
Yes.
also Broadway.
Yeah, right.
And as you mentioned earlier, Pasha, about family dynamics. Now, I'm very interested, of course, Taufan and also Andrea, as actors here, usually they have their own interpretation or the way they interpret is
Yes.
different
Yes.
when they interpret a certain character. We know that in the movies, Nirina Zubir and also Ringo Agus played Abah and Ma. They have their own interpretation, but what about you guys? I heard it's completely different.
Well, yeah, I mean, we had the advantages, if I may say, to have like such a great reference for this character, and it's difficult and yet challenging as well. But I personally don't want to feel like it's a
Like a shackle. for
yes,
you.
yeah, because it's not a competition. This is not. This is just something different, and
Yes.
we've been doing musicals for a long time.
Yeah.
And
How
but
do you see Ma here?
huh?
How do you see your
Ma?
character Ma?
Ma is very complicated. I
Yes?
think people would think like being a mother is like a stay-at-home mother is easy, as something that is like a nature to women, but
It's not.
but it's not. It's not, especially when you have to stick with your family and facing through this type of challenges in life, and how she has to remain strong for everyone in the family, not just for herself, but also for the husband and for the kids. So yeah.
And you also have these
challenging
two,
part.
right? Like keluarga bahagia and then
Yes.
keluarga berharga.
Yes.
Can you explain more about it though?
Yes.
Happy family and precious family.
Precious family. Yes.
Yes, we have two set of casts, which is a very common practice in musical theater
Yes.
Yes.
for safety reasons, for their well-being. But also when we during our audition process, we had a lot of talents come in, and then basically we just couldn't decide, and so we're like, why don't we take them all?
Because they're all talented.
They're all very talented, but also I think it portrays these notion that every family is different. Every family has its own dynamic
Right.
and uniqueness,
Yes.
and so and I give them the freedom as actors
Yes.
to portray these dynamics, to feel these dynamics in their own way,
Yeah.
and so that we literally have two different. Not styles, how do you say it? Feels, I guess.
Different energy and different vibe, probably.
There you
right,
go,
from-
energy and
Yeah.
feels and dynamics
Yes.
within the two casts, and so I encourage everyone to see at least twice.
Twice.
Okay, let's keep that in mind. Okay, twice, Marissa.
Twice.
Twice.
You can see Precious Family and you can
Yeah.
see Happy Family.
Yes.
What about your interpretation of your character Abah?
First of all,
Taufan?
I'm sorry for my broken English.
No.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. Yeah.
Abah.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to adapt like the previous Abah from
Yeah, Ringo Agus.
the serial TV and
Oh, yes.
Adi Kurdi, and
Yeah.
because it's so iconic,
It's-
Right.
yeah.
Absolutely.
their character.
Yeah,
And but still with the same garis merah.
Right.
Yeah,
Red
yeah.
line,
Yeah.
That Abah is the pillar of the family. Kalau dia itu what do you call it? Panutan keluarga.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Role model.
The
Role models of the
family.
family, and then nggak boleh terlihat lemah di depan keluarganya dia. Tapi sebenarnya Abah is manusia juga.
Yeah.
So
Yes.
in some point Abah akan turning point, dia kayak realize kayak aku nggak sendirian. I have my
Right.
family.
Okay.
So,
Yes, and what he's basically saying is that he's playing Abba, which is the father figure in this family, and oftentimes, especially maybe in Asia,
Yeah.
there's this expectation that the man of the family has to
to be
always
strong.
be strong.
Yes.
When actually at
Flawless.
the end of the day, flawless almost. Oh my God, is that the expectation on you?
I was sharing my own opinion.
let me know.
No, Tommy, you don't have to be perfect.
I know.
You don't have to be
I know.
flawless.
I have my family and friends to support me, right?
Exactly. So
Yes.
that's why this music is going to be very relevant and relatable. But I would like to ask each one of you, what is family to you? Right? What is family to you? To you? To you? Vasha, please.
Families
Yeah.
are supporters. Families are pillars, but not always strong. So I think, yeah, families are. It's
I
tough.
know. It is tough. It is tough.
I want to say home, but not necessarily. Not for me too. Sorry.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because family is
Not always.
complex, right? Not
Yeah.
always.
Not always.
How about you?
Yeah.
Andrea.
And yeah, I agree with Pasha. I think family is a lesson for me. Because like through families, I learned that even though like you may not like someone, but when they're family, you find a way to make it work. You find a way to be strong together. You know.
Yeah.
So
Family is a lesson. Oh, yes.
Yeah.
I can relate to that.
Taufan?
Taufan?
Family is where you can be yourself. I mean, nggak harus menjadi what do you call that? Perfect gitu.
Right.
Terus tempat kita nyaman, tempat kita bisa menjadi diri sendiri, tempat kita bisa diterima. Ya, makanya keluarga itu bisa di mana aja. Is it teman atau
Right.
Yeah, family can be.
jadi keluarga?
right.
Yeah, family can be everywhere. So
Yeah,
what
everywhere.
Taufan is basically saying is family is basically where you can just be yourself.
Yourself. Yeah.
And that's tough, isn't it? I mean, it's like
Yeah.
all of us are still figuring out what is ourselves, right?
Yeah.
And when you can feel comfortable, when you can feel at ease, that's when you feel like you belong to a family. Because
Yes.
I do find family actually more in my friends. Because they are in a way my safety net. I can just be
Right.
myself. I can just be ugly. I can be wonderful, and they will still love me. That's what family is. What about you, Tommy?
Yeah.
I think a bit similar to what Andrea said. It's
Yeah.
a lesson.
Yeah,
'Cause,
yeah.
I'm a dad, I'm a father,
Yes.
I'm a husband as
You're
well.
an imperfect father, which is fine.
Yes, imperfect should be
We're
fine.
all imperfect.
But the meaning of family in me is just about being honest, just so
Yes.
you can be your true self, you can express yourself. So whenever you feel weak, you have somebody
True.
on your side.
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely. Well, I cannot wait to watch Keluarga Cemara and watch it twice, by the way.
Watch it twice. So from June
21st.
21st until
14th of
July
July.
14th.
July.
Okay, that's going to be in Ciputra Artpreneur in Jakarta. So
Yes.
make sure if you're outside Jakarta, maybe in Bandung, take a train because it's super quick now.
Yes.
Keluarga Cemara, the musical, or Pine Family, the musical, can be enjoyed on the 21st of June until 14th of July in Jakarta. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all the best. All the best. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. And now let's take another short break. When we come back, we have more updates just for you.